Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best large recipe cards on the market, the 321 Done Recipe Paper, made right here in the USA. If you love cooking and enjoy organizing your recipes in a personalized way, this product might just become your new favorite kitchen companion. These recipe papers measure 5.5 by 8.5 inches, which is a perfect half-letter size, larger than the traditional small recipe cards, giving you plenty of space to jot down detailed recipes, notes, and tips. The tan color offers a warm, minimalist look that's both stylish and practical, making it easy to focus on your writing without distractions. One of the standout features is the superior quality of the paper. Made from premium 80-pound smooth paper, it provides a great writing experience. Whether you prefer pens, markers, or pencils, the paper is designed not to bleed through, so your recipes stay neat and legible. This quality also makes it durable, giving your recipe collection a professional feel and long-lasting use. The clean, minimalist design is another reason these recipe papers are so versatile. They are blank, allowing you to customize your cookbook exactly how you want it. Whether you're creating a family recipe binder, a recipe box, or an organizer, these refill pages fit perfectly. Their size and layout make them easy to pair with dividers and plastic sleeves, helping you build an organized, spill-resistant system for your treasured recipes. These recipe papers are not only ideal for seasoned chefs who like to document intricate recipes, but also for beginners who want enough room to experiment and write down their culinary creations without feeling cramped. The ample writing space encourages creativity, allowing you to add ingredient substitutions, cooking times, and even personal notes. The pack includes 50 loose leaf sheets, so you have plenty to start with and can easily add more as your recipe collection grows. Plus, supporting a small business brand means you're getting a thoughtfully made product with attention to detail. To sum it up, the 321 Done Recipe Paper offers an excellent blend of quality, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. If you're looking for large recipe cards that help you create a personalized and well-organized cookbook, these are a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. Happy cooking and organizing!